Hi, my name is McKenna, and last week I had the opportunity to visit the Cambo factory in Kampen in the Netherlands. And while I was excited about the windmills, tulips, and the stroopwafels, I have to say that the Cambo factory was definitely the coolest thing I've seen by far, and I thought, why not show it to you guys? Before I walk you through the factory, we need to rewind back to 1946, because in order to understand what Cambo is built today, we need to understand where they came from. Roelof Boek founded Cambo in Anglio in the Netherlands under the name Technica Anglio. From the very beginning, the philosophy was simple: build robust, modular tools that photographers could rely on for years, even decades. It was known for its distinction of being the first studio camera manufactured to produce an all-metal large format camera. Eventually, due to some name confusion with another company, Boek decided to change the name to Cambo. Camera, Boek. Later, the company moved to Kampen in the eastern part of the Netherlands, and it's been there ever since. Cambo cameras have always been about precision movements, mechanical reliability, and adaptability, whether that's to new formats, digital backs, or ever-changing workflows. Most photographers only ever get to see the finished product, but as someone who cares about how tools are made, not just how they perform, it's a rare chance that you get to see the process from start to finish. But today, I get to show you everything that happens before that finished product. On this particular day, we saw the Cambo's new wide compact technical camera and how it came to life from start to finish. Every product starts with a question: what problem are we trying to solve? This phase is about ideas, compromises, and possibilities, while also balancing functionality and mechanical precision. For example, with the Cambo Wide Compact, they wanted to take the functionality of their current adapter for the Actus, which allows you to rotate your digital back, along with the ability to rotate your whole system without ever taking it off the tripod or stand, much like the WRS 1600. The catch was they wanted all these capabilities within a compact system. This is when the idea moves into detailed engineering. The engineering stage is all about refinement, adjusting, testing, and sometimes starting over until everything works precisely as intended. After countless digital designs, repeated 3D prototypes, and no shortage of trial and error, the product is ready to be moved to the back of the building, the factory. The components are machined and shaped from one of the highest grades of solid aluminum, which gives the camera its durability and precision. This isn't the fastest or, cheapest approach, but it does allow for an incredible level of consistency and precision. Each operation, whether it be lading or the CNC milling machine, is carefully programmed. Every cut, every pass, and every tolerance is measured in fractions of a millimeter. Once the part comes off the machine, it doesn't immediately move on. It's inspected, smoothed, measured, and checked before continuing to the next step. Most components go through multiple machining stages, from roughing to finishing, before they're even ready to assemble. And once every part meets its specification, it's ready to move on to the next stage, where everything comes together during assembly. Each product is assembled and checked by hand. Movements are tested, alignment is verified, and nothing leaves the factory unless it meets Cambo's standards. Lastly, your order is picked out and packaged and ready to be sent off to you. The part that I found most amazing is that this all happens within one building, with around 50 people. Every Cambo product isn't just a product. It's the result of decades of experience, careful engineering, and a pretty deliberate manufacturing process. Seeing how these products are made gives you a completely different appreciation for the end result.